friends, do you want to speak English better? In this video, I will share an easy and fun way to improve your English every day by using news. So friends, news is everywhere on your mobile, computer, TV, and that people use in daily life. So friends, by reading and listening news, you can learn English faster, better than by just studying from the books. So friends, here is how you can do it. So friends, pick up one short news article every day. It could be anything like sports, technology, world news. But the important thing is that it should be short, easy to understand. So friends, read it slowly and carefully. If you don't understand everything, it's okay. Don't worry. Try to focus main ideas. So, so friends, learn 3-5 words every day and try to use them in your sentences. For example, if the word is discover, make a sentence, I want to discover new places. So friends, summarize the news in your own words and speak it out loud. Even no one is listening to you, it's okay. This will help you your speaking and thinking in English. So friends, watch and listen to the same video in English if possible and repeat exactly like you hear them. So friends, this will help you your pronunciation and listening skill. So friend, remember every day the key is practice every day. Even 5-10 minutes daily can make a big difference in few months. If you make mistakes, so don't worry. Everyone make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you practice, the better you will get. So friends, by doing this, you will learn new words, improve your grammar, speak more confidently. You will also start thinking in English naturally. So friends, pick up short articles and read and learn and speak every single day. Every small efforts lead to big result over time. So friends, if you like this video, so don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe my channel for motivation and learning English tips. So keep practicing, keep growing and enjoy your journey. We will meet the next video. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.